Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vaishya's Passions. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of my Mia cookware products. Actually I just bought this cookware some 2 months back. So I just used it. So I have tried it. So I thought I can give you a honest review about how this product worked for me in these 2 months. So also I will give you a video on how I prepared few food items with this cast iron. So also how to season, actually re-season your pre-seasoned cast iron also, so to make it work like a non-stick. As soon as you buy this cast iron skillet, it won't work like a non-stick. So I also give you tips to make your pre-seasoned cast iron work like a non-stick cookware. So first let us see the unboxing of what I bought. So I bought a skillet, cast iron skillet. So this is the Mia cast iron skillet which I bought. So I'm going to unbox it. So I have used it. So for the video demonstration purpose, so I'm just showing you this. So I bought a cast iron skillet which is 20 centimeter. It comes with a booklet and a handle because your pre-seasoned cast iron will be so hot. So it also comes with a handle holder, and this is the cast iron skillet. So this is the cast iron skillet. So this is 20 centimeter. So as they have described it, it is 20 centimeter, and what they have described is this is a pre-seasoned cookware, and it is they haven't used any synthetic coatings and chemicals. It is already seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Exceptional heating retention. So exceptional heat retention, thick pan body. It retains the heat for a longer duration. So this is actually a US based cookware company, Mia. So it is headquartered in Vallejo, California, USA. So, and this is your pre-seasoned cast iron. Also I have made non-veg items, actually chicken, fish, eggs, everything comes out very good, actually really good. It comes out good. So this I bought it from Pots and Pans Mia. So now one more thing what I bought was this Anzen, and it's a fry pan. And this is also a 20 centimeter frying pan. So this is a ceramic coating. This is not a non-stick. This is a ceramic coating. So the healthy ceramic cookware. This is a fry pan, and what they are claiming is it is a Japanese thoughtfulness. So it is it's 100% green actually. So it's a green ceramic cookware with 0% toxins, 0% PFOA, PTFE and heavy metals. So also they say it is made from natural materials, no toxic fumes, and free from PFOA, PTFE, lead and cadmium. It is based on Japanese technology, actually Japanese ceramic. So it's very healthy alternative for your non-stick cookware. Also the surface is so smooth. I have made a potato fry, scrambled eggs using this fry pan, and it comes out really good. Little bit it sticks, little bit, very little bit. So if you use oil, it doesn't stick. So it acts as a non-stick, but it is not a non-stick. It's a ceramic cookware and it's a very healthy alternative. So I personally like this brand cookware, and this is so heavy, you cannot even lift it in one hand. It's really very heavy. So I'll also show how to re-season it. So when I bought 2 months back, so the very first time I washed it and I tried some eggs, so it did not come out good. So what I did was, they also give an instruction manual. So how to use this cookware, they give an instruction manual. So how to use this cookware. So if you follow the steps given by them, this cast iron works like a non-stick actually. So I'll also attach the video how to re-season and make it work like a non-stick. Also, I have prepared few dishes with this. I'll also attach that video for your convenience. So it's a bit costlier. These cookwares are quite costly, but it serves the purpose. So it's kind of a lifetime investment. At least they claim that they give lifetime warranty for this. So you can order it online. Since I am from Bangalore, so I got it directly from the store. They have a store in Delhi also. And if you are from other places, Chennai, Hyderabad, like their website, they have mentioned that it is this cookware is soon it's going to come in cities like Chennai and Hyderabad. But as of now, it is in Bangalore and Delhi. So if you are from other parts of India, you can order it online. So, and the price about this is 1,875 and this is 2,300, and both I got 300 rupees discount. So during the time of Diwali there was some discount. So during Christmas, during some occasions, you get discounts also. So I think it's worth the money. It is quite working good. So, and frying pan, I suggest you to buy for 24 centimeters. At least if you are a 4-member family, you can go for 24 centimeter. I bought 20 centimeter, but still for small quantity frying vegetables, you can use this 20 centimeter pan. And this really, I prepared fish fry, chicken fry, so it came out really good. And that cast iron, that rustic authentic taste of the curries, be it chicken or fish, it was really good, this cast iron. And both, I prepared potato in both these pans. It did not stick to the bottom, it came out really good. So this is not a sponsored video. So I saw many reviews and I thought, why not go for this cookware. So I am trying it for the first time. So it's been 2 months since I posted the Maya cookware showroom tour. So it's been 2 months I am using it. So I thought let me use it for a while and then I can tell my feedback. So I used it for 2 months. So I really liked it. You can see this, I have used it for 2 months. It's still like a new, still like very brand new. The cookware looks brand new. So I have used this for 2 months. So also I'll post about re-seasoning. So keep watching till the end so that I'll show what dishes I made with this cookware, and please watch the video. Thanks for supporting me. So don't forget to subscribe the video and like the video if you like, and if you have any doubts you can comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
Now let me show you how to season the cast iron. So when you buy it from the showroom, just you wash it. So for the very first time you wash it with a mild detergent and you put it on the stove top. So let it heat for a while. The fume should come. Actually, it should nicely heat. Once the pan gets hot, what you should do is you pour any vegetable oil. So you just rub vegetable oil thoroughly over you can see the fume is coming So now at this time you evenly rub the oil with a tissue or with a soft cotton cloth. So the tawa will be very hot, so just make sure don't burn your fingers. So just rub it nicely. So you can see the fume is coming out from the pan. So you have to rub it nicely. So this step you have to continuously do it for 5 to 6 times. So you rub it for the first time, you should completely rub it like how I do it here. So the base, the side of the pan, everything, the handle, everything you can rub it with oil. So you turn off the stove. Once again you turn on the stove. Wait till the smoke comes from the tawa and add oil. Again rub it with a soft cloth or with some tissue paper. Rub it completely till the oil is absorbed. So repeat this step some 5 to 6 times. So when you are using it for the very first time, this is the step you should follow to make your cast iron work like a non-stick. So repeat this step 5 to 6 times, and then you just apply some oil and keep it inside. So when the next time you use it, so it comes without sticking. Your food items won't stick to the bottom. Now let me show how to pour. Now let me show, like I have prepared egg and fish with this. So for the first time the egg stuck to the bottom of the pan. So after doing that step, so some 6 times I repeatedly did the previous procedure, and effortlessly the eggs comes out from the pan. The same way I did chicken and fish also, so it did not stick to the bottom, and washing was also very easy. Like once your food item is done, and you just completely cool the pan. So when the pan is hot, you should not wash it. So cool the pan completely. So when the pan is, you can touch with your bare hand. So completely cool the pan, then you wash it. Again you apply oil. You heat the pan completely, you apply oil, and you store it in your cupboard. So once you wash the pan, don't leave it, because it gets rusted, because it's iron anyway. So you have to wash it with mild detergent, and you have to heat the pan so that excess water is absorbed. After that you should pour some oil, rub it thoroughly over the pan, and then you can store it in your cupboard. In this way the iron won't rust. Also the non-stick of the pan won't go off that easily. So see how the egg is beautifully done here. Even the fish did not stick to the bottom, you can see it. So for the very first time when I bought this, it was sticking, so I followed this step. So they have also given in their pamphlet like what are the ways to use the cast iron skillet or tawa or anything. So you can follow the step. Hope this procedure and the demo video of this helps you. So if you have any comments regarding this, you can comment me in the comment section below. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.